Week number 2 of spring practice for the Army football team. The Black Knights taking the field on Thursday afternoon here at House Field. After the practice, we had a chance to catch up with Army defensive back Elijah Riley and wide receiver Jeff Ejeckham.
Coming out here every day, giving full effort. That's what we do every day. It's a grind, but, come out here every day, we give our best effort, and, the assignments will come. But as long as this effort's there, we're going to get the job done. Just elevate our game. We were good last year, but we can get better, and that's the best thing about it. We had a great season last year, but like I said, the best thing about it is we can get even better. The record can improve. So I'm really excited. So we'll see where it goes from there.
Getting that extra work in, understanding the playbook fully, knowing how the other pieces work out on the defense, and just getting extra work in before after practice, before and after lifts. Being thrown in there, I felt immediately that I had to, lead some of the guys who weren't necessarily getting playing time, maybe working the scout team. Right now I feel like it's my role to get them acclimated to the playbook, help them out when they need help, little things, footwork, and even just their assignment.
The week for the Black Knights will wrap up with practices on Friday afternoon and Saturday morning. Of course, the 2017 Army football spring game coming up at Michie Stadium on April 15th. With the Army football team spring practice 2017 for Night Vision, I'm Rich DeMarco.